Boom! What's up, everybody? Welcome back to The Perfect Bag, and today I've got a fun one for you. It's that time again. It's time to check out what is in my EDC. Hope you enjoy this video. If not, sorry about it, but this is something that is requested quite a bit. What do you carry, Mr. Guy Who Carries Things? That's what this video is. So this is one of my most used sling bags ever. It's what I'm currently carrying right now. It is the Packo Lab Samurai. This is a patchwork version of the bag. You can see that I've strapped in a soda. More on that in a second. But this is not a walkthrough of that bag. There is a video for that. If you'd like to do a walkthrough of the bag, you'll, of course, get a good look at the bag as I talk about what I'm carrying. But let's get started. What am I carrying right now? Well, first off, I am carrying a diet soda because I am watching my sugar intake. There you go. All right, so this just folds up right here. And tightens up. Tighten up. There we go. And we'll just tighten that back up. There we go. All right, I actually guess don't need to do this on the video in front of y'all. But anyway, front pocket. What's in the front pocket? Zip. Pretty big pocket, but I don't have much in here. I've got my hitchhiker's wallet. Excuse me, this is my rustic heirloom wallet. I said hitchhikers. Then I've got my flashlight. This is from Olight, I believe. It's like a brass bamboo finish. I've always liked it. So we'll zip that back up, and then we'll get into the side. I've got two pockets on this sling. I'm using one of them. This one has this little key leash on it, and I've got my AirPods attached to that key leash. So I'm actually going to stick those back in here because I'm not really undoing this bag. I'm carrying this actively right now. So wallet will go back in, flashlight will go back in. Let's look at what's in the back pocket. In the back pocket, phone. So great pocket for phone, and I can actually leave that unzipped and just slip the phone in and out of there. Nice. This is the new handle. I just showed you that in a recent video. It's from Odd Job. And then the main compartment, the main event, what's going on in this bag? Let's zip it all the way down. It can go low, 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 low. There we go. And then it can open up wide, wide, wide. All right. First off, my gimbal. I carry that for my other channel, The Perfect Walk. Then I've got some fingerless gloves in here. This pocket, nothing right now. This pocket right here is a first aid pocket, but I need to load that up. My first aid is still in a kit in another bag. And then I've got my blue light blocking glasses here. Link to that in the description as well. And just some headache medicine. Nothing in this pouch right here right now. You can see these beautiful stretch pouches here. What a great bag. I mean, look at all the storage that exists in this bag. Then I've got the Kershaw filter, which is absolutely my favorite pocket knife ever. Love carrying it. It's got a deep pocket clip here. Fits just about every bag that I own. Love that. And this pouch right here, I've just got a fidget toy right now. This pouch is where I carry my USB-C cord as well. But I'm not carrying that right now because I switched to this power bank, which has the USB and the lightning cable built into it. This is my favorite power bank that I've got right now. Plugs into the wall, charges, and then is easy to carry. 10,000 mAh. It's a lot of MAHs. All the MAHs that I would ever need. And then my Miu Mini Plus for gaming on the go. So everything that I need, that is my current EDC. What am I missing that you regularly carry in your EDC? Everyone would love to know. Not carrying my multi-tool right now, which is a Leatherman. And I didn't carry my book in my current loadout, although there is plenty of room to slide in Marcus Aurelius into the Samurai Packo Lab, but don't have it in there right now. All right, that's my EDC. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, as always, give me a thumbs up and make sure you join over on The Perfect Bag, which is a subreddit, not just a YouTube channel. All right, everybody. Thank you, as always, for the love and support. This is it. Quick little video today. Hope you enjoyed checking out what's in my current sling bag, my EDC. All right, everybody. That's it. See you next time. Bye for now.